Have you ever envisioned owning a YouTube channel, a platform to share your creativity, knowledge, or simply to entertain? Let's embark on this journey together, breaking it down into manageable steps. Your first task is to sign into YouTube using a Google account. If you're starting from scratch, you'll need to create a Google account first. Once you've logged in, a click on your profile picture in the upper right corner reveals an option to create a channel. This is where your journey truly begins. The name of your channel is incredibly important. It's a reflection of you, your content, and what you stand for. Whether it's your own name, a clever phrase, or something related to your niche, make it meaningful and memorable. Next, it's time to give your channel some personality. Add a profile picture and cover art that encapsulates your brand or style. This is your chance to make a captivating first impression. Now you'll need to describe your channel and select relevant keywords. This is how people will find your content, so make sure it's clear, concise, and accurately represents what you offer. With your channel set up, it's time to create content. Choose your niche carefully and plan your videos with your audience in mind. Remember, quality over quantity is key. Optimizing your video titles, descriptions, and tags is crucial for discoverability. Incorporate relevant keywords and use compelling thumbnails to captivate potential viewers. Consistency is your secret weapon. Regular uploads keep your audience engaged and eager for more. Spread the word about your channel on different social media platforms. Collaborate with other creators to broaden your scope and reach. Analyzing your video metrics and audience insights is a powerful tool. Understanding what content resonates with your audience allows you to adapt and evolve. Engage with your viewers through comments, likes, and shares. Building a community around your channel is essential for growth. In conclusion, developing a successful YouTube channel requires time, effort, and dedication. Stay true to your passion, engage with your audience, and consistently deliver high-quality content. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials on how to succeed on YouTube.